Hello, this is Warren, and this tutorial is for the bulk image uploading utility on the website for Expert Auction software. To start with, you can take a look at the steps, and then I'm going to go over each step so that you are able to upload the images without an issue. So step number 1, you want to print out the QR codes. So there's a link for a PDF file, and it has up to 1,000 lot numbers with QR codes for each one. So when you print these out, make sure that you print them on high quality. It's just black, there's no color, but you don't want to have any weird marks in the QR codes because later it could cause an issue with the QR codes being recognized. So just make sure they look really good. And then I would suggest probably just put them in a binder. So if you want to have 400 QR codes, that's about 40 pages because there's 10 QR codes per page. And you could just keep that binder with you when you go to take pictures each week or whenever you need it. Okay? And then next, what we're going to do is take a look at how you take pictures of the QR codes. So you want to take pictures of the QR code before you take the pictures for that lot. For example, you can see here on the right, you want to center the QR code in the image viewfinder of the camera. You don't want to have two QR codes or half of a QR code. You just want that one QR code for the lot number centered because the software will crop the sides and look for the QR code. So here we can see a good example of just centering it right over it. So you want to make sure also that it's very clear. You don't want to have it out of focus or blurry, or you don't want to have it from a different angle. You want to have it straight on, just like this, and have good lighting as well. So the way it works is you would take a picture of the QR code like this, directly in front of the camera, center that QR code, and then you take the pictures for that lot number immediately after. So you can see here a sequence. You take the QR code and you take a picture of that lot item. And then you take when you're done with those items, then you want to go to the next one, you take a picture of the QR code for that item. So this would be, next would be lot number 2. And then you have the picture for lot number 2. And then when you want to start lot number 3, you go to that one and go ahead and take the QR code picture. And then after that, you can snap the photos. So you can put any number actually, but just make sure before the item pictures, you want to have the QR code. And this bottom one here on the left, you can kind of see it has a little bit of this one right here, but that's okay. Just make sure you have this one centered more or less right there. You definitely do not want two QR codes, the whole ones in one image, but this one, it'll cut off the edges here. So you should be okay, no problem. Just try to zoom in and have it something kind of like this here. And you should be okay. So remember, before you do the image upload to the website, you need to make sure that you already have the lots added for those pictures. And normally you would do this by adding a new auction group, and then you go ahead and add blank auctions. That's the quickest, fastest way you can get this done. If you do not know how to add blank auctions, there's a tutorial video on that. So when you're ready, you would like to upload all the images for the lots. Well, on this page, the bulk upload page, you can select up to 1,000 photos at a time. You could do more or less, but depending on your computer, it might cause an issue. So if you don't have very much memory on your computer, or the CPU is very old, it could be an issue. So you might want to just start with a few photos at a time, and make sure that you always have the lot pictures start with the image of the QR code. You don't want to just have some random images in there. You need to keep them in order, more or less, yeah. because the way it works is it takes a look and checks for the QR image, and then it checks after that which images were taken after the QR code was taken. And then it puts them into the lots. Then once you have uploaded all the images, for example right here we can see I uploaded 331 images, and it says that it's already uploaded them all, 331 out of 331. Then you go ahead and just click process. Depending on how many images you have, it could just take a few seconds or it could take up to a minute or so. But just wait, and when it's done, it'll tell you that it's been able to do it. And that's it. You should be good to go. I hope this saves you a lot of time. Thank you very much.